What?
Hold on.
Oh, she replied. Oh, I missed it.
He should have done that.
Oh, I love this part. Are you looking at something? Huh? Is there something amusing to you? Should have done that.
Okay, no, do this part.
Oh, Michael, I've had a lot of birthdays. Well, not a lot of birthdays, but this is the best birthday ever. What are you looking at?
I was just thinking about the first time I laid eye on you. How pretty you look.
Stop it.
You're very pretty.
I'm thinking about getting it cut.
No, I like it this length. I like everything about you. Just the other day, someone asked me who I thought the most beautiful monster was in all of Monstropolis. You know what I said?
What did you say?
I said, Sully?
Sully?
No, that's not what I was going to say. I mean,
You're not making
sure, you
sense.
didn't answer my
Guys, what a coincidence running into you. I'm just gonna order something to go. Sully? What's good here? Went back to get your paperwork, and there was a door. What? A door? Randall was in it.
Wait a minute, Randall? Gee, he's trying to boost his numbers.
Don't do.
Play in the anime.